So first let's start with these two wires, and now I'm going to connect uh, these two wires to the transmitter and receiver pin. So I'm going to solder these ends on the motor shield pin number 0 and 1 respectively. So first you will need this solder wire to connect these wires, so let me do this particular thing. Okay, let's connect one by one. So first, okay, let's connect the other one. So just be careful while connecting. So as you can see, these two wires are connected, so be careful while connecting. Now we will use this breadboard to connect the Bluetooth module. So let's place this Bluetooth module over here, and you can stick this breadboard with the help of double-sided tape on your chassis board. It's done. So let's give the power supply to Bluetooth module using these two jumper wires. Now I am going to provide the supply by using these pins, the power pins of the motor shield. That is, positive pin will go to the VCC of this Bluetooth module, and finally the negative pin will go to the ground pin of this Bluetooth module. And now the transmitter and receiver pins we will be connecting at the end after uploading the codes. So at this time I will not connect these two transmitter and receiver. After uploading the codes, I will be connecting the receiver pin of the Bluetooth module to the transmitter of Arduino, and the other transmitter of this Bluetooth module to the receiver of the Arduino. So it was the simple setup. Let's move to the coding part.